RI MADE is a program created to benefit the defense ecosystem, funded by the Office of Local Defense Community Cooperation. Hi, I'm Taylor Green, the RI MADE Program Manager for Polaris MEP. Through the RI MADE program, we intend to serve 50 Rhode Island manufacturing companies, training hundreds of students and workers. The manufacturers receive guidance and support to expand their operational capabilities, which will help strengthen the nation's defense manufacturing ecosystem. The students receive real-world training in automation and robotics, cybersecurity, and risk management consulting. We're strengthening our national defense supply chain and equipping our future workforce with skills that will bolster our state's economy.
Amerisone designs and manufactures textile-based products for military, industrial, consumer, and healthcare customers. We were already looking into what we needed to do and start implementing, and then the Rhode Island MADE program came out.
Students who apply to be part of RI MADE are interviewed and carefully selected based on related experience, soft skills, and relevant coursework. We've seen that this experience is incredibly transformative for students. After just 1 year of the program, many of our student alumni have successfully secured paid internships or full-time employment positions within the industry.
I felt really proud that I was able to give them something that was satisfactory, something that they can actually take and utilize in their business.
The ancillary benefits of it to the students is that they're exposed to potential employers, and many of them have expressed interest in internships.
I was blown away by how smart the students were, how they picked up on issues within the business that we hadn't really identified.
The students asked really pointed questions that helped me revisit, think about, and actively discuss with them some of the risks associated with the work that we're doing.
Following a company's acceptance to the RI MADE program, students work with manufacturing experts from the MEP network to identify company strengths, areas of improvement, and recommendations to mitigate identified risks. Because the students are drawn from multiple disciplines, the companies benefit from a wide range of expertise and perspectives. The students work in teams to create customized solutions that can lead to cost savings, increased efficiency, enhanced cybersecurity posture, or the incorporation of advanced technology solutions. Companies are then eligible for funding to assist in the implementation of these solutions. The RI MADE program positions companies to expand and optimize existing capabilities, capacities, and resources in an effort to enhance the integrity and grow the DoD supply chain.
We knew we had some bottlenecks in inspection. Things were starting to stack up, and we were having trouble getting product out the door fast enough. We spend most of our time working in the business and not working on the business. So not only did the team come in and expose different gaps that we had in our IT system now for our cybersecurity, but it has allowed us to secure the largest contract that this company has received in 113 years. And it's given me the confidence that we're going to be able to maintain it.
A major milestone for Nautilus was the procurement of the new precision braiding machine. That machine has allowed us to build the smallest conductive yarns that the world has ever seen.
One of the unexpected things for us is when we thought of automation, we were thinking, well, we're sewing. You really can't automate it in that many ways. But what the Rhode Island MADE team opened our eyes to is that we can automate our business systems.
This should be the future where companies are able to meet the students while they're still in school, not only so the students can learn, but the companies get valuable insights.
I think the biggest impact that Rhode Island MADE has given me is the knowledge, the skills, and the expertise in the field of business in general. And I can see myself using these skills to build my own business.
Once we implement the recommendations, it will put us in a much stronger position for government contracts. We'll be a lot more competitive in that field, which will have a huge impact in our ability to grow.
The rate at which our company is growing makes it extremely valuable to have outside expert advice.
It's going to do nothing but give you ideas on how to make your company better, and you're going to be a leaner, meaner shop coming out of it.
For me, it's a no-brainer. The impact that it's had for Jaya should be easily transferable to any other business.
By doing this program, it really opened our eyes and, as I said, gave us that roadmap to move forward and take us to the next level.
Thanks to funding from the OLDCC, we're accelerating the growth of defense suppliers, training and inspiring our future workforce, and bolstering the strength of Rhode Island's economy. Learn more about RI MADE by visiting www.polarismep.org/RIMADE.